Okay, you force a little of that black sand up in your gold. Now take and force rinse all the remainder of the black sand off your table. Now all you're left with is your clean gold. Take your gold pan, place it at the end of your table, and you're rinsing every bit of that black sand or that gold off into your pan.
Is that pretty nice?
Yeah, yeah. Once you get the table cleaned up, restrict your flow again, take some more of your concentrates, throw them right back on the table, and you're ready to go.
What do you think it costs?
$125. It's the least expensive product that you'll find in the market for what it does. What you'll get here is you're going to get a pump kit. Your pump's already mounted to a bracket, your hose and your spray bar, and they also get a table, okay? We don't need to supply you with the tub. You probably already have some kind of a panning tub or a 12-volt system.
I got a round one, is what I got. It wouldn't be in, this is a better size.
This is just a standard stock tub. Yeah, you always want to use jet dry. Jet dry is an oil surfactant. You don't want to use that in any kind of system that you're recycling water. Yep, because this will kill any contaminants that are on your hands, as well as in the material that you're running or the products that you're using. So keep your black sand thinned out. You're not limited to 1 spoonful. Once you get the black sand cleaned off your table, just keep going. It's that easy.
Worried about putting any oil in it?
Oh, don't worry about that.
How about magnetics? How's it?
Oh, there's magnetics in here. No, we don't do anything to the material. You'll watch this black sand come alive. See that? So there's no trick or gimmick about it. Table actually will wash all of those magnetics out, and you'll be left with nothing but your gold. What you're after here, though, guys, is you're after every bit of this ultra fine gold. That's stuff that we normally lose right off the bat. That's stuff that we know we had, but we didn't recover it. You're not limited to 1 spoonful. Are you a panner?
Yeah.
You are a panner. How long would that take you to thoroughly clean, even your ultra fines? How long would that take you to pan?
Hours.
It would take you quite a while. Okay?
Because the finer it gets, the
Exactly.
it'll take time.
You're right. You're absolutely right. Okay, you're not limited to 1 spoonful of material. We already put 1 spoonful on there. We take that heaping spoonful, you throw it on your table. You're watching down here in the middle section of your table for any pieces that might move on you. Generally, the only pieces that you're going to see move down in the middle of the section of the table are the larger pieces. They have a greater surface area to them, and they're going to slide a little bit until they find a place to rest on the mat. But what you're after, though, is you're after that stuff that you said that you'd lose right off the bat.
Well, see, this would work also good for beach plasters.
Oh, absolutely.
Where it's real fine gold.
The beach plaster is, unbelievable.
Yeah.
When this cleans itself out, we'll look down in there and I'll show you what this table was designed for. It's all good and fine when we recover those large pieces. Those are good. And the reason why I put those large pieces in there amongst the ultra fines is so you can see that the table actually holds your coarser pieces as well as your micron. This is what you're after. This is stuff that we normally lose when we're panning. Is that and that. Look at that piece there. That's gold. All of that right there is gold. Now you're not limited to 1 spoonful of material. How long's it been? Maybe a minute?
Yeah.
And it's kept all of your large coarse pieces as well as your ultra fine pieces.
See, this is also what you call environmentally safe because you don't have to use mercury to recover the small stuff which you can't use anymore.
That's right, absolutely. And that was one reason why we did it. The amalgam tables, back in the day, the slurry tables were covered in mercury.
Yeah.
This here, basically the same concept, but like you say, environmentally safe.
Yeah.
You're not limited to 1 spoonful of material. Keep that black sand thinned out. Keep your snuffer bottle handy just in case you see a piece move on you. See how that piece stopped right there at that little ridge? If you kind of look at an angle, you can actually see how the angles are, the bumps are in there.
Yeah.
Those are designed to help slow those pieces down. You can reach in there and take your snuffer and suck them up.